Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to make Japanese Gmail account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go of course and open Google. And of course, creating a Japanese Gmail account follows the same general process as creating any Gmail account. But if you want to begin a region specific, here's some steps to consider. So go to the Gmail sign up page, so visit the Google account creation page, which I'll be giving you the link to here now. So you just need to go to this link here. Then when you're there, you need to go and enter details. So fill in your name, desired email address, and password. Set your location to Japan. If you want a Japanese-based account, ensure your location settings reflect Japan. If you need access to Japan-specific services, you may need a Japanese address and payment method. Google may ask for phone verification, so ensure you have a valid number. Once created, you can change the language to Japanese in the account settings, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.